Alright guys, I got everything here ready to set up my Slide 4.0 LE1. I got my blades cut and a couple of inserts I'm going to put in there as well. So to remove the bezel, it's got these two buttons on the side and you just depress them at the same time with your thumb and index finger, and then it'll release the tabs and pop off. So take your blades and insert them and align the hole on the end of your blade with the hole in the front of the body here. And then you're just gonna insert the node and slide it back. So repeat that on both sides with all four. Once you got all four of your blades in there and inserts, just align the bezel back on, press, and it'll snap on. So there is a break-in period, especially with the titanium, and you'll notice probably the first couple of times you slide it, it's going to be a little rough, but it will break in, and there is also a way to break it in faster. So if you notice, it might have a slight sticking point right here at the bezel. What you can do is just push down on the node and put a little pressure on it and just slide it here, and then go all the way back and forth a few times, and that'll loosen it up quite a bit, and it'll continue to get looser as you use your slide. The slide has a detachable link back here, which is really easy to use. You can just depress it, twist 90 degrees, and it will pop off. It's spring loaded, and when you stick it back in, just repeat the steps. So you're just pushing it in, twist 90, and you'll actually hear a little click, and then it's locked in. Now, one of the coolest things about Keyport products is the modular functionality. So we have a whole bunch of modules and faceplates that you can attach to either side of the Keyport Slide's chassis. All you need to do is align the metal feet here with the 3 holes on the side, and then you just press down and then slide it forward until you hear a click. You can do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to attach the pocket clip to this side, and faceplates can also stack onto our mid modules like the netted knife and the Mocha module. So now my slide is ready to go. Now when I need to remove the module, we have these new module release tabs which don't require any tools to operate. You just press outwards and then push back on the module to release it. So press outwards on the tab and then just push back and it'll come right off. Now the module release tabs are a little bit stiff, so if it hurts your finger or it's uncomfortable, you can use something like a pin. And I like to just put my thumb right on the module on top of where the tab is and then pinch it with the end of the pin. And then you want to angle the slide so that it's at a 45-degree angle on the table. Depress the tab and then just press, and then it will pop right off. Let's do this side. And it's that easy. So keep in mind, you do have to take off the modules and faceplates to access the buttons on the side of the bezel to remove the bezel. But most users are taking off faceplates and swapping them out and swapping out modules a lot more often than they are swapping out blades and inserts. So that's all there is to it. Enjoy your new slide, and thanks for watching.